Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're unboxing the brand new 2018 Hot Wheels G-Case. I'm going to send a few new cars to one lucky viewer. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below I love HotDiecast Garage for a chance to win. So let's dive into the G-Case and see what brand new Hot Wheels cars we have in store for us. At the top of the case, we have two of my favorite cars, the Indy 500 oval race car. Next, we have a Hot Wheels vehicle that flies high. It's the Mad Props airplane. From the Fast Foodie series, we have the Street Wiener. On the end, we have a double of the Project Cars 2 Porsche 917 LH race car. For the JDM fans, we have one of my favorites, the green 95 Mazda RX-7. These two look like a pretty cool set of race cars called the Mach Speeder. And a car I've been looking forward to, we have two of my new favorites, the 2016 Bmw M2. Here we have a Batman car from a classic TV show, the TV series Batmobile. This next one is from the Checkmate series. It's the Queen Velocita. Take a look at these cool black Nightburners models, the 2015 Mercedes Amg Gt. Next we have a pair of X-Racers models. This one is called Electrac. A very nice Hot Wheels speed graphics model. This is the white Nissan Fairlady Z. Here we have another one of my favorite speed graphics models, the 1970 Camaro in blue. We have seen this Japanese classic car before. It's the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. This next one is a pretty wild looking street beast model called Beetle. We've got a set of twins from the Checkmate series. These are the 2012 Ford Fiesta. Believe it or not, this is one of my favorite fantasy cars. We have the street beast Sharkbite. It looks like we have a double of a very cool looking car, the Super Chrome's Rising Heat. I'm glad to see this super sport bike in the case. We have the Ducati 1199 Panigale. And for dirt bike lovers, we have the Hot Wheels Daredevil's HW 450F. Next we have the Glow Wheels model that looks like a rally car, and it's called High Beam. On the end is the blue 1970 Chevelle SS wagon. It looks like we've got some good ones on the bottom here, starting off with the 2007 Ford Mustang from the Checkmate series. Then we have one of my favorites, the Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo. From the Hot Wheels Fun Park series, we have the Loopster. This next one is the treasure hunt of the G-Case. The card is a little bent, but it's the Super Chrome's model Blitz Speeder, and you'll see the flame on the back of the pack. From the Nightburners series, we have the brand new blue color of the Mad Mike 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. And here we have the basic version of the Super Treasure Hunt model. This is the tuned 1968 Ford Mustang. It's time we take a look at our next 36 cars. Starting at the top, we have the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks model called Solid Muscle. Next, we have a pair of the red custom 1967 Pontiac Firebird. This is a pretty cool new blue color of the Tankinator. Off on the left, we have the latest edition of the Summit Corvette C7R race car. Onto our next row, we have the Super Chrome's model Gazella GT. Here we have the new white Urban Outlaw Magnus Walker edition of the Volkswagen Käfer Racer. For the old hot rod fans, we have two of the Hot Wheels Flames 32 Ford. We've seen this car in other cases. It's the Hot Wheels Daredevil's Fiat 500. Next, we have another Checkmate model. This one is Fast 4WD. It appears we have a set of twins for the skull-headed car, the Red Bone Shaker. Then we have two matching models from the Super Chrome series. These are the Speed Slayer. Up next, we have a tuned Chrysler 300C that has matching colors with the 68 Mustang. We have another X-Racers model. This one is the green and white High Roller. From the Legends of Speed, we have the very cool off-road model called Dunosaur. This is our second Hot Wheels Moto model, another Ducati 1199 Panigale. I am a huge fan of this next one. It's the Hot Wheels Edition 2018 Camaro SS. Then we have a Hot Wheels Flames model, the latest color of the classic 55 Nomad. We also got the new color of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. Next is a pair of the very cool red 2016 Honda Civic Type R. It looks like we have even more red Japanese cars. These are the custom Datsun 240Z. More cars from the Hot Wheels Daredevil series. This is the green Rally Cat. We are down to our last 6 cars here. It looks like we have another one of the TV series Batmobile. Next are two of the Hot Wheels Glow Wheels model called Crescendo. Then we have two Hot Wheels exotic models. These are the orange Lotus Esprit S1. And our final car for the G-Case is the cool Hot Wheels Pursuit Metro vehicle Dodge Charger drift car. There we have my unboxing of the 2018 Hot Wheels G-Case. If you guys would like a chance to win these new models here, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below I love HotDiecast Garage for a chance to win. The winner will be announced in my video this Saturday, January 27th, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.